Hello tech lovers, today's video is on about 4DRC V4 mini drone. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Drones have become an essential part of many people's lives, whether they are used for recreation or for business purposes. With the advances in drone technology, there has been a rise in quadcopters and other types of drones. One of the newest types of drones on the market is the 4DRC V4 drone. This drone is small enough to be carried around easily, but it has some impressive features. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It has an easy-to-fold design which makes it a performance monster. Despite having many good qualities, it is smaller and lighter, and as a result it is easy to carry. It is wrapped with modern and refreshing design. It has 4K pixel high-definition camera to give you a more realistic aerial view. And more realistic view means more realistic enjoyment and experience. Despite being small and compact, it provides about 20 minutes of flight time with its 3.7 volts 1600 mAh. Its battery has user-friendly module design which makes it easy to install and uninstall. Now it is time to discuss various functions of RC Drone 4DRC V4 mini drone. With HD image transmission, you will be able to enjoy the same scenery that your drone will be seeing. This awesome drone will transmit the scenery instantly because it has advanced signal transmission technology. The transmission process is great, and the viewing effect is better. Manual angle adjustment gives freedom to focus on wanted things or scenery. This amazing device has the ability to manually adjust the camera's shooting angle. Shooting is no longer limited with the shooting angle now. You can choose the angle that suits best for shooting an individual scenery. Its broader shooting horizon will be able to get more closer to your heart. Because of having light flow vision positions, it will let you maintain a smooth flight. No need to control the throttle bar. It became easier to control with its easy one-handed control system. It will snap photograph of yourself 3 seconds after aircraft recognition gestures, which will help you taking photos more easily and in a fun way. Its advanced intelligent identification technology and flight process makes it easily able to snap photos or taking videos conveniently. It will provide you the ability to edit your videos. It will let you add special effects and music to your movies through the phone. You can flex these videos to your friends and family. You can share now with a variety of cool effects that are built in. They will make your movies more compelling. The app's built-in auto beauty function automatically adjusts the sensitivity and brightness. These beauty features will provide different vibes in the same scenery. It has light flow visual positioning system, which will help you to have real-time sense knowledge of light flow information for image data meter. By its app, you can draw the flight path you want on the screen, and it will follow that path. This feature makes the controlling and flying process easy as pie. This small drone is simpler and more fun to control because of this easy and effective feature. It is blessed with gravity sensing feature. You can turn on the app's gravity sensing function to achieve heavy force sensing control, which will give you deep dive flight experience. The cherry on the cake is its one-click fast operations. Its flight system uses a number of one-click fast operation. It is decorated with one-click landing and one-click return functions. Its noise reduction is optimized because of its flight systems and propeller design. The overall noise reduction is equivalent to approximately 45% reduction in corresponding noise power. This also causes overall operating efficiency and significant increase in the rate of continuous flight to 20 minutes. Now, it's time to talk about its some pros and cons. 4K pixel HD camera, great lightweight design, auto beauty shooting, gravity sensing, not properly stabilized sometimes, average shooting range. It is a great mini drone with a great design and lots of good qualities. Despite being small and compact, lots of features are installed in it. A worthy product to try on. Beginner-friendly, flyable by beginners to pros. It is also budget-friendly at the same time. We will suggest this budget-friendly compact mini drone to you. You should give it a try. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.